Avon calling.
Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm having a great, fantastic day. I hope all of you are too. I'm really excited to get into this video. Oh my gosh, I finally got my first Avon purchase. I finally ordered something, a few things, and it finally arrived, and I'm super excited to show you what I got today in the mail. So awesome. I'm just like, oh my gosh. Finally, I have some products to show you how awesome Avon is. I didn't get a ton of things for this haul because I was just trying to get like a few basic things I pretty much needed and wanted to get for future videos. It was pretty much a small little Avon haul, but I think it's something worthwhile to show you and show you a little taste of what Avon has to offer all of you and some of the amazing cool products that they have. I already tried out a few things already. You know, I can't wait ever when I get something. I have to use it, try it out. That's just the way of the nature of myself. So let's get into it finally. Here's the box. I already opened it, obviously. Don't need that bubble wrap. I got a few things right here. I got the Himalaya pink salt toothpaste because it was kind of interesting and I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. It's something new, different, and unique. I haven't seen this anywhere, so I'm like, well, I need toothpaste, so I might as well give it a try. Avon's my one-stop shop for everything pretty much. If you need it, then I'm gonna get it, and I got it. And you get 3.4 ounces, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. Gotta love cruelty free and vegan everything. And there's no harsh chemicals. It does pretty much what a normal everyday toothpaste would do. You know, whitens your teeth, helps get rid of plaque, and freshens your breath. So it's good at doing that. After using the product, I feel like my teeth was a lot cleaner than usual, and I think it's pretty good. I don't really care for the flavor. It kind of tastes like a bar of soap. It has an after flavor of a slight bar of soap taste. Only issue, but using mouthwash reduced that. I got rid of that, so it wasn't a big deal, but for a little while I was tasting that bar of soap taste. That was the only problem I have with that. Overall, it's pretty good. I got some basic things that I needed. So the toothpaste was one, and the makeup wipes, and you get a great value and a lot of product. You get 24 wipes, and they're heavy duty, strong. I used them before in the past, and they're very durable, and they get off everything. And I really miss these wipes, using them and not having them in my arsenal. Now they're back in my arsenal. Now I can actually have a chance to use them once again and actually save a lot of money because they get rid of everything and you don't have to use multiple wipes to take off your makeup. One wipe and it's done, and you get 24, so you get a lot for your money. The other product I got is for Haley's birthday, so no one tell Haley. Haley, don't watch this. I'm only going to say that something fun, unique, different, and it hasn't been used before. I'm really excited to give Haley this because it's something that I know she will enjoy to use and to have, and that's what I'm all about, is giving gifts that are thoughtful and giving gifts that people like. You don't want to just give a gift and have them hate it. You want to actually listen to what the person likes and dislikes and go from there and evaluate what they like. But I'm sure Haley's going to like this because it's right up her alley. I'm excited to give it to her for her birthday that's coming up. Oh my gosh, she's getting older now, and I'm just like, where did the time go? Because where was I? Where was she? Where was all of us at this? I don't know. I'm just like glad that things are getting better and I'm getting better, and that's all that matters. Okay, I've already tried this out. I'm using it right now. It's on my lips as we speak. It's beautiful. It goes on so well, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm so impressed of like how well it is for a great price. I did not expect it to work this well. I thought it was going to be kind of cheap, you know, like a novelty item that's not going to be that good. It's just going to be, oh, for shits and giggles pretty much. But the color is awesome, and it's so cute, and you don't even need to put it in your purse. You can just have it out, and it's going to be something cute and just fun, and it matches my outfit. So that's always great. It's so cute. I put it back in the box, leave me alone. I didn't want to just have it out like the toothpaste, but it's a cute little ring pop. Isn't that adorable? You don't even have to put it in your purse. You can just wear it. It looks like the traditional ring pops that you get at the store that kids enjoy. I used to enjoy them, but I don't really care for that candy anymore. Oh no, I'm not really a big candy person, but this is right up my alley. I like the shape, everything. It's so cute. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. So super fun. And get this. You turn it over where the ring part is, and you twist it, and what do you get? Lipstick! Oh my gosh. It's in the shade, I believe. Oh, it's a lip tint. Put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh, it's called Pink Carrot, I believe. You sparkle. It's so cute. I love it. The color is so good. It goes on so well, and it's awesome for a lip tint. This is where it's at. It's totally worth it. I'll link these down below along with my website, so that way you can just search in the search bar for the product, so it's quick, simple, and easy. I'll give you a few search ideas so that way you don't have a hassle trying to find it. I will link it down below. Do all that fun stuff so that way you can find it out for yourself and show some support. I always love that. I love you for being here. So, love that support. It means a lot. It really does. This is what I love to do, so that's why I'm doing it. That's why I love Avon. There's something fun and festive and cool for everyone. It's not just one-dimensional. It's multi-dimensional, and it's so awesome. Okay. I had to get another cute little tiny awesome treat, and it's a cute, oh my gosh, one more scoop lip tint. It's called a gelato tint. So super cute. I had to have it, and it goes with one of my future videos I'm going to be making, so be on the lookout for that. It's going to be coming up pretty soon, so I got this to go along with the theming of the video, because I'm like, why not? The tint is called, I believe, Sweet Watermelon, and it's super cute. I love it. It's a little pink ice cream cone. You twist the top, and what do you get? Lipstick. It's so cute. Ooh. It kind of smells fruity. Kind of smells like a watermelon. Not really, but I can tell what they're trying to do. And it's super cute. Look at that shade. It's so cute. I'll actually swatch the other one. But I'm super excited about these. They're so cute and small. Well worth the price, I think, so far. I haven't tried the watermelon one, but this one, already using it and in love. So convenient, and it hasn't smudged or anything. That's the Pink Carrot right here. That's the Pink Carrot. Such beautiful tones. I think that they look better in person than in the catalog, actually. The catalog didn't really give the shades justice. I think that they're both red shades, so I'm going to have plenty of red lip tints to last me for quite a while. But it's okay. I'm ready. My favorite one out of both of them is the ring pop so far, because it just has a nice, cute novelty feeling to it, and it's something convenient. You can just wear it and forget it and have it on your finger. It doesn't take up extra space. It goes really well with some of the spring items I have, so very cute and great for spring. It's a very nice little cute spring summer item. Both of these are, so I'm enjoying everything that I got from Avon this time around. I'm going to be ordering more products a little bit at a time, so I'm not going too overboard and crazy. I'm bringing you some more haul videos and some more product demo videos as well, so be on the lookout for those. Thank you so much for watching my first Avon haul video. I know it's not a lot of products, but oh well. I didn't go big, crazy, and wild. Just a little bit here and there just to show you what Avon has to offer and to give myself some stuff that I actually needed. That's the key. Actually needed stuff. So I'm really excited, and I'm hoping that this video and previous videos I've made will help you decide if you would like to purchase some Avon products for yourself or for someone special. There's all kinds of holidays. I'm here for everything that you need, so go down there, check out the link down below. I'd be super appreciative, grateful, and thankful if you would choose me as your Avon representative. Everything's online, and I also have booklets, so if you see me around, pick up one and give it a look. Easy one-stop shop for everything. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.
Take time out for beauty when Avon comes calling.